What if I told you there's a place that looks like Mars on Earth? Imagine walking through glowing red rocks, surreal landscapes, and 2,000-year-old petroglyphs, all just an hour from Las Vegas. Welcome to Valley of Fire State Park, one of Nevada's most underrated wonders. And the best part? You can explore this breathtaking place on a budget. In this video, I'll show you how to visit affordably, the best spots to explore, must-try local food, and some mind-blowing facts about this fiery wonderland. Let's dive in. How to get to Valley of Fire on a budget. Location: Valley of Fire State Park is about 50 miles northeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. Cheapest ways to get there. By car, best option. From Las Vegas Strip, approximately 1 hour drive via I-15N. From Los Angeles, 4.5 hour drive. Budget hack: renting a car in Vegas? Choose an economy car, or use Tourotto, cheaper than big rental companies. By tour shuttle. Several budget-friendly day tours leave from Vegas for as low as $50, $70 per person. By rideshare, Uber, Lyft. A one-way ride from Las Vegas to Valley of Fire costs around $75, $100. If you're traveling with friends, split the cost. Entrance fee? Only $10 per vehicle. Nevada residents, $15 per vehicle. Out-of-state visitors. Best local foods to try near Valley of Fire. Nevada-style BBQ, smoked brisket, pulled pork and ribs. Southwest tacos, spicy and flavorful, perfect road trip food. Fry bread and Indian tacos, inspired by Native American flavors. Date shakes, a famous local treat from desert regions. Where to eat? Muddy River Bar and Grill, best BBQ and tacos located in Overton. La Fonda Mexican Restaurant, amazing nachos and enchiladas, in Moapa. Big B's Texas BBQ, great for smoked meats, near Vegas. Must-see attractions in Valley of Fire. 1. Fire Wave Trail, a must-see. This famous wave-shaped rock formation has layers of red, pink, and white swirls. 2. Elephant Rock, a natural elephant-shaped rock that looks unreal. 3. White Domes Trail, one of the best hikes featuring narrow slot canyons and stunning rock formations. 4. Little Rock, ancient petroglyphs carved into the rocks over 2,000 years ago by Native Americans. 5. Seven Sisters, a group of massive red rock formations, perfect for photography. 6. Rainbow Vista, a panoramic viewpoint where you can see miles of colorful desert. 7. Mouse's Tank Road, a scenic drive through winding red rock canyons, looks like something out of a movie. Mind-blowing facts about Valley of Fire. 1. It's Nevada's oldest state park. Established in 1935, it's the first and largest state park in Nevada. 2. The rocks are over 150 million years old. These formations were created during the time of dinosaurs. 3. The area has been used in Hollywood movies. Films like Transformers, 2007, and Star Trek, Generations, 1994 were shot here. 4. It's named after the way the rocks glow. When the sun hits them just right, the red rocks look like they're on fire. 5. It's home to ancient petroglyphs. The ancestral Puebloans carved symbols, animals, and figures into the rocks over 2,000 years ago. This place looks like another planet, and it's one of the most budget-friendly adventures near Las Vegas. Which spot would you explore first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tourotto Info for more hidden travel gems. See you in the next adventure.